little learners. Today we are trace letters. This is our second part video. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is the letter M. Let's trace it together. Start at the top, draw a straight line down, a slanted line down to the middle, another slanted line up, a slanted line down again. Great work. M. M is for monkey. Mango. Now color mango with yellow color. Yellow mango. Find M, 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 M. Wow, excellent. Next is N. For uppercase N, draw a straight line down, a slanted line up, and another straight line down. For lowercase N, draw a straight line down, then one small bump. N is for nest. Now color it with yellow color. Wow. Now find N, 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 N. Great job. Next is O. O is for orange. A big circle look like a donut. Wow. O is for orange. Now color orange with orange color. Excellent. Can you find O? O, O, O. Wow. Great job. Oh. Next letter is P. P is for panda. Now trace letter P. Wow, excellent. P is for panda. We color our panda. Wow. Now find P, 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 P. This is our next letter Q. Now trace it. Small q. Q is for quail. Oh. Now color it with your own color. Excellent. Now find Q, 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 Q. Here is our next letter R. Trace it. Now trace small r. R is for robot. Now color robot. Wow, excellent. You did very well. Now find R, 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 R. Our next letter is coming down. S. S is for shirt. Trace it. Small s. S. S is for shirt. Now color it with blue color. Blue shirt. Excellent.